What's the name of this bread?
اسمه كعكة سمسم.
Kaek.
كعك
Simpson. Kaek Simpson. And this is your original. This is cheese and this is special, huh?
Yes.
For salt. This one. And this one you call the name? In Arabic?
ربع دينار.
An Arabic name? What's the name for Arabic?
اسمه زعتر.
Zata.
زعتر بجبنة ميكس.
Zata Jabi mix. Okay.
Hello everybody.
It's fresh today, now? And he cook?
Come.
Oh, they're taking me to the bakery here. Oh, thank you, sir. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, this one is good, right?
Very good.
Wow. Wow, thank you. Amazing. It's, managed to get it. There you go, great. And I can eat some? Jibni. For me? Cook and yes, to walk, to eat. Is it okay? Okay, jabna. Jabna? Jabna. Jabna. Achi. جبنة. توري. معلم توري.
معلم احمد ابو طالع.
Okay. Shukran. The gentleman actually needing me. All these balls going inside? No. Later. Okay. Time. Okay. Okay. After.
أديت بتحوى أحمد. أديت بتحوى كسب الله خلاص نص ساعة.
Okay. Thank you, sir. What time I can eat?
ساعة إلا ربع.